Are you wondering how you can start making money from Facebook? Then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing 10 ways you can do this. Facebook is not just for sharing photos and connecting with family and friends. You can still make money on Facebook. However, this is not magic. It is not something you will do overnight. You don't have to invest any penny, but you have to invest your time and diligence. You have to be patient. It is true that these apps are making life easy. You can stay in the comfort of your home and communicate with anyone, anywhere in the world at any time. It is also good that you learn how to start making money from these apps. In this video, we'll be learning 10 ways to do this on Facebook. If you are a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos on business and personal development. Let's get started. The first step to making money on Facebook is to lay the foundation. By laying the foundation, you have to grow your friends list and following. With Facebook, you can have at least 5,000 friends on your list. Once you've exhausted that, you can turn on the follow button so that people can start following you. A link will be in the description box on how you can do that. You can create a Facebook page. Get people to like and follow you. You can do this by creating engaging and interesting content. The next one is to create a Facebook group and grow your member database by adding as many friends as you can. You can get moderators to run the group for you. Make sure you turn on post approval for members so that members will not start spamming the group with links and all of that. Whenever any member posts anything, you get to approve it before it appears on your Facebook group timeline. Once you are done with all of this, you have laid the foundation for making money on Facebook with your friends list, your Facebook page, and your Facebook groups. Now, let's get to how you can turn all of this into money. The first way you can start making money on Facebook is to sell your own product. Whatever product you sell or whatever service you render, advertise it to your followings, advertise it to your friends. Yes, why do you think you are amassing those friends and followings? It is to sell to them. It is to turn your socials into money. Start selling. You can make posts, engaging content around the product that you sell. Sell to your friends and following. You can advertise in your group, let people know what you do, and once they buy from you, you are making money from Facebook. The next one is to drive traffic to your blog, your website, or your YouTube channel, or wherever you want the traffic to be. All you have to do is to drop the link to any of these places on your Facebook group or your page. Whenever your members click on the links, they will be directed to wherever you want the traffic to be. It will be an increment in traffic. You can do this for a token for others too. All you have to do is to advertise for them by dropping the link to their website, their blog, or their YouTube channel on your Facebook group. When your members click on them to get a service or buy a product, you will get paid. The next one is to create a fun app for Facebook. This app mustn't necessarily be a complex one. It can be a simple fun app that people can use on Facebook. You can earn through ads and in-app purchases. The next one is to grow a Facebook page or group and sell. The next one is through affiliate marketing. Yes, you can make money on Facebook through affiliate marketing. This affiliate marketing could be for you or for a client. All you have to do is drop the link on your Facebook group, maybe one or two in a day. And whenever any member clicks on it and buys whatever product or service you are marketing, you will get paid. By the way, affiliate marketing is simply partnering with companies or brands to promote or market their goods or their service with a unique link. Whenever anyone buys with your link, you will get paid. You can drop your affiliate marketing links in your Facebook group or on your Facebook page You can as well do it for others. Drop their affiliate marketing links on your Facebook group or Facebook page. You can make a content around the product. Whenever anyone buys using your link or the link for your client, you will get paid. The next one is the more followers you have on Facebook, the more digital marketers and businesses will approach you for paid adverts. All you have to do is to create content. Make sure the content is engaging and interesting to propel someone to buy. Create content around this product on your Facebook group or on your Facebook page. Whenever people buy, you will get paid. The more followers and likes on your page, the more money they will offer you. All you have to do is to post their product and start making money. The next one is to get people to pay for sponsored likes and shares. People are looking for likes and shares on their Facebook posts and their Facebook videos. All you have to do is to drop this link on your Facebook group and tell your members to like and share the post or the video. The more likes and shares you provide, the more money you'll be paid. The next one is to make money through Facebook videos. Facebook videos are now like YouTube videos. You can make a video content around your business, host it on Facebook, and get paid on advert sales when people watch your video. Facebook will get to pay you 55% of the advert sales and keep the remaining 45%. This is a great one. The next way you can make money on Facebook is to manage as many Facebook corporate accounts as you can. Your job basically is to post content, manage and schedule posts, make designs for Facebook posts, engage and interact with their followers' comments. All you have to do right now is to learn social media management. A link will be in the description box to guide you. You can also act as a virtual assistant to these corporate organizations or brands on Facebook. Your job too will be that of a social media manager. The next one is to sell on Facebook Marketplace. This is one of the simple ways to earn money on Facebook. Facebook allows a special section on their site where you can do this. All you have to do is to search for the geographic location, category, or product you want to sell and start selling. You can sell used products or new products that you're already selling on the Facebook Marketplace. The last but not the least on how you can make money on Facebook is to use Facebook for basic marketing. The more followers you have, the more people you will reach. And this will turn to higher chances of sales for you and for whoever that will be contacting you to make paid sales for them. The more followers you have, the more people will contact you to place ads on your Facebook group or your Facebook page for them. So guys, to start making money on Facebook, you have to lay the foundation first. You have to be patient. It is not magic. It is not something you will do overnight. You have to lay the foundation, build your friends list and following. Create a Facebook page and a Facebook group. Make sure you invite as many people as you can. Create engaging, interesting content. This will attract people. When you attract people, it is these people that you will start selling to. Hope this video was helpful. Please share and give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, consider doing that. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Bye-bye.